Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about LibreElect and Jellyfin, and I will help you to decide which media solution is best in 2025. So let's start with LibreElect. LibreElect is a lightweight Linux-based OS designed to run Kodi Media Center on single-board computers like Raspberry Pi, and it's plug-and-play optimized for local playback. Jellyfin is a full-featured open-source media server that streams your media library to any device. It's a Plex alternative, which is ideal for remote access, user profiles, and transcoding. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, installation and setup. LibreElect is installed as a full OS. It's easy to set up and works out of the box with Kodi, while Jellyfin is a server app that you install on your PC, NAS, or VM and access via browser or app. Number 2, streaming and playback. LibreLec is better for local playback via HDMI or local network, while Jellyfin is designed for more remote access, streaming across mobile, web, and smart TVs. Number 3, features. Jellyfin supports user management, live TV, transcoding, and metadata scrapers, while LibreLec relies on Kodi plugins for these features and lack native remote management. Number 4, use case fit. You can use LibreLec if you want a media player OS on a Raspberry Pi or HTPC, and you can use Jellyfin if you want to stream media to multiple devices or outside your home. So in short, choose LibreLec for a dedicated media center on local hardware, and you can go with Jellyfin for streaming and organizing your media across devices. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.